let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in today's opportunity, we are going to have a dictionary training. So we are going to look at some features that you can use in your dictionary. Either it is printed one or online one. So week 13 FLSP, dictionary training. So let's take a look at this slide. Okay, let's guess the 5 vocabularies that we have today. Is it British or American English? What do you think? Gasoline. What do you think it is? Is it American or English? Sorry, American or British? Gasoline. Okay, good. This one is American. Okay, you can check here. Gasoline. First, you can access Oxford Learner's Dictionary, for instance, or other online dictionary, either that's Webster or Longman. And we can see here gasoline. So this one is American English. For British English, it is called petrol. Yeah, okay. Next, let's try to guess. Dustbin. Is it British or American? Dustbin. Do you listen a lot to this vocab? Dustbin. I think no, we rarely hear this one. The normal we do is we say tempat sampah adalah apa itu? Garbage can or trash can gitu ya. Dustbin. So let's check, for instance. Dustbin. Okay, this one is British English. Good. So maybe something that is unfamiliar to us. It's commonly British English, not American one. So the next is chemist. What do you think is chemist? Okay, good. Chemist is British English. What about the American one? We say drugstore. And then what about elevator? Okay, right, correct. Elevator is American one. Well, for the British one, we say lift. Yeah, okay. One last one. What do you think candy is? Is it American or British? Okay, good. This one is American English. What about the British one? Lolly, yeah? We say lolly is for British English. Okay, good. This is the first features of dictionary. You can search for or consult for vocabulary whether it is British or American English. Next, the feature is about part of speech. You can check, so what is the part of speech of a word? For instance, what is the word class? Fame, what do you think it is? Fame. So the adjective is famous. If we have fame, what is it? Let's check it together. Fame. This is noun. So when you want to create a sentence using noun, for instance apa ya? Dia bangga dengan ketenarannya. Ketenarannya berarti apa? Nounnya. Berarti Anda harus cari di dictionary noun dari famous itu apa? Ketenaran, keterkenalannya, misalkan begitu. She is proud of her being fame. She is proud of her fame, for instance, gitu ya. Dia bangga dengan ketenarannya, begitu. Okay. So selanjutnya adalah misalkan response. Can you guess what is it? What is the word class? Response. Okay, good. This one is response. Noun. Okay. What about the verb? Respond with nd, yeah? The last letter is T. Respond. And then the next one, employ. Employment. If you heard the word employment, so what is employ? Verb. Okay, good. Thank you. The last one, grab. Grab, yeah, this is the brand of our transportations, online transportations. Grab, what do you think it is? Good, this one is verb. Well, the next features we can use in dictionary is prepositions. Okay, you need to really take concern on this one. Preposition, it is also important aspect in English language. Jump, when you want to say jump, what is then the prepositions? For instance, let's check jump. What do you normally use when you want to say melompat ke kolam renang misalkan? So you can see, jumped into the water. Yeah, she jumped into the water to save them. Then the preposition is into. Jadi Anda tidak berkata jump at atau jump apa ya selain dengan into. Kalau ke air berarti jumped into. Ini fungsinya dictionary ya. Jadi Anda bisa tahu ini jumped down. Konteksnya adalah she jumped down from the chair. Melompat dari kursi begitu ya. Kalau mungkin ada anak-anak kecil ya suka lompat-lompat, terus dari kursi ke bawah berarti apa? Jump down gitu ya. Ada juga jumping up and down. Okay. So this is the way how you check the prepositions. Interested. You can have interested biasanya interested in. Saya tertarik bermain bola. I am interested in playing football misalkan gitu. Listen. Kalau listen biasanya apa? Listen to. Okay. Later you can check into the dictionary, online or printed one, to see the correct prepositions of it. The next one is the features for the dictionary. You can check also about the singular or plural form. For instance, we have the word datum. What do you think it is? Is it singular or plural? Datum. This one is singular. Normally we say data, and data is plural. Okay, be careful of that. Let me show you how to check it. Datum. This one noun. The plural form is data. So then datum is singular. Okay, so that's the way how to check it. Woman. What do you think woman is? Thank you. Woman is singular. What about the plural form? We change the A here into E. Women. Women for the plural form. Okay. What about mice? Okay, good. This one is plural. The singular form is mouse. Next, alumni. What do you think it is? Alumni is plural form. The singular one is alumnus. Okay. Appendix. Appendix is, okay, good, singular. Appendix is singular. The plural form we can have appendages. Okay. Well, that's it, singular and plural. The last one, we also have the collocations. You can check the collocations. A collocation is a word go together with this word. Okay. Kalau data, kolokasinya apa ya? Gitu. Collocationsnya apa? Misalkan Anda mau bilang apa? Mengumpulkan data begitu. Mengumpulkan data, kita bisa cek collocationsnya apa. Misalkan data ya. Nah, ini. Nah, di sini ada collocations. Nah, di sini misalkan result. Nah, mengumpulkan data Anda bisa pakai collect atau gather atau extract ya. Collect atau gather ya. Extract berarti apa? Mengolah, menganalisis begitu ya. Collect data atau collect informations. Jadi kalau mau pakai data, kata data, Anda harus mencari dulu collocation-nya apa. Mengumpulkan data berarti yang benar adalah collect atau gather. Ada juga analyze data, fit the data, prove the data begitu. Jadi caranya begitu. Pay. Kita cek pay ada apa aja collocation-nya. Pay. Okay. Well paid bisa begitu. Have to pay, must pay, be able to pay. Pay for the bill misalkan. Okay. Phrasesnya ability to pay. Gitu. Jadi tidak asal memakai kata, tapi Anda harus cari collocationnya apa. The last one, tell. Kita cari tell apa ya collocationsnya, dengan apa saja. Oke, Oxford collocations. Oke, ini want to tell, flatly tell, try to tell about, gitu. Oke. Yes. Yes, so that's all how to use the dictionary. So some features of dictionary, you can use the dictionary in many functions. So don't use dictionary only to search for meaning, but it has some other functions yet that you can use from a dictionary. Well, that's all from today's explanations. After this, you can go to the LMS and do the exercises. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.